Hi everyone, my name is Marcy. This is my daughter Olivia, and I'm going to be demonstrating for you this evening some basic massage protocols. I'll be doing a foot massage on Olivia, and I'll show you how just the most basic, quick foot massage can affect the entire body. So, Olivia, what I'd like you to do is bend over and see if you can touch the ground. Okay, so you're pretty flexible. Okay, you can stand up now. So my demonstration will show that Olivia's flexibility will increase significantly after just a few minutes of a foot massage. So we're going to get her prepared to get on the table. So before I begin the massage, I need to prepare the room. So usually I have the massage table set up when my client comes in. It's draped with clean sheets, of course. I have some nice, soft, relaxing music playing. And for a reflexology massage, I'm going to use some cream designed specifically for the foot. There's just some extra analgesics in there that really help to alleviate some pain and create a little more comfort to the client. And there went my lid. So I just squeeze out a small amount of the cream and I rub it between my hands gently just to warm it up. You don't want to shock somebody with freezing cold cream. And then I just begin an application down the foot of the massage cream. And I'll do that to both feet at the same time, or one at a time actually, but get that process out of the way all at once. So I just do some gentle gliding strokes on the foot to uh, for the lotion application, and then I'll get specific with in a little more detailed with the massage. And always include the ankles. They're a source of issue for a lot of people. Your feet take a pounding all day long. You're wearing shoes and walking, and in Olivia's case, today she was running, so her feet are hurting, her legs are tight, so this is probably really going to feel good for her. She did a cross country meet today, and she's going to provide her a little relief this evening. So I like to start with the top of the foot and just slowly work up and down the foot. Uh, in reflexology, the top of the foot represents the lungs and the heart. So you get right down in between those bones. You don't think too much about it, but boy, it does feel good whenever you're getting that massage. And just gently and slowly rub that foot. Go around the malleolus, which are your ankle bones, and gently rub. You can use a little friction, do some circular motions. That really feels, sometimes the term we use is yummy. And get right in where that foot and ankle meet the leg. You don't think about that very often, but that's a great source of tension. So also in reflexology, the toes represent your head area, your upper body, your sinuses. So you like to focus with a little bit of attention, especially on that big toe. Yeah, Olivia is actually suffering from a cold this week also, so this is probably going to feel good and help to relieve some of her sinus pressure. And you just work down the toes in just a straight line motion. Um, and just work each one and do a little twisting motion. Sometimes I'll pull the toes. That feels good. And then you just start working down the rest of the foot. The outside of the foot in reflexology is the back, the spine. A lot of issues, a lot of tension lie in that area. And then you can start working on the bottom of the foot. We're going to get into the lungs and do a little back and forth motion. I don't know if you can really see that. Just up and down on the foot, on the toes, loosening that all up. The middle of the foot is your belly. Your intestines are in there. There's a demonstration. We take our thumb and go straight across in the middle of the foot. That's called the pooper scooper. It's a glamorous term in massage therapy, but that's what it is. So if you have any constipation, that's a great place to definitely massage, is right in the middle of your foot. On the bottom of the foot towards the heel, that is your lower back. There are a lot of people have tension. Maybe they sit all day, they drive, and they just have a lot of tension in that area, and that can help relieve that as well. I'm going to pay a little attention to the other foot, get it going here. So the body is covered from head to toe in a substance called fascia. So if you've ever made chicken or taken the skin off of a chicken, you can see always a thin film of what looks like, I guess, flesh. That is called the fascia, and we are covered in fascia also. So that fascia it gets constricted, and it constricts all of our cells, our muscles, our joints, and that's what causes some tightness. So if we can free that up a little bit, it will help to release all that tension, bring some new oxygen and blood into those cells, and really have a rejuvenating effect on the body. So I'm just going to finish up here with Olivia's foot, and then I'm going to have her stand up and see if this has made any improvement in her flexibility, which it should. So how are you feeling so far, Olivia?
Just
fantastic. All right. And I forgot, one thing that I love to do is just get my elbow. Olivia, can you bend your knee? Just get my elbow in that foot. It really feels good. It does. It relieves some tension. This is what I like to call the money maker. And definitely squeeze the heel. You can do a prayer cup on the heel to relieve some pain. Reflexology is an excellent form of therapy for plantar fasciitis. If you have plantar fasciitis, definitely find somebody who's a good massage therapist or reflexologist, and that can help you immensely. I had a patient years ago. She had gone to the chiropractor for months, suffering from plantar fasciitis, couldn't even walk in the mornings because it hurt so bad. She started coming to see me to get a massage, and within a couple of months, she was finding herself great relief with the massage, and she even had said that that was the only thing that really had helped her plantar fasciitis. So I'm just going to finish up here with Olivia, and then we're going to see the magic happen. All right, so we've massaged Olivia's feet for about 6 or 7 minutes. And Olivia, will you please bend over now to see if your flexibility has increased at all? And yes, it has in fact increased. She was not able to touch the floor before, and she is now. So that's just a few minutes of working on the feet, loosened up the fascia enough to increase her flexibility. So try it on yourselves at home. Do this little demonstration. It's a two minutes even. Stand up, see if you can bend and touch the floor. Try to remember where you are and sit down for 2 minutes, massage each foot, and stand up again and do the same thing, and you'll see that your flexibility has improved. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.